When we talk about cryptocurrency, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? How will I do it? Why? Well, if you are tired of feeling left behind in the world of cryptocurrency, don't worry, because we have everything you need to know to get you started so that you can make a decent amount of money. We'll walk you through the basics and give you the tools you need to start profiting from this exciting new world of digital currency. Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 easy ways for beginners to start earning with digital currencies. From trading to mining, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and learn how to make your money work for you in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, but you might be wondering how you can actually make money with them. Well, that's what we're here to explain. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. But before we get into all of that, let's start with the basics. So, what is cryptocurrency? Well, cryptocurrency is basically a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank and is decentralized. Now, on to the ways to make money. The very first way is buying and holding. This is the simplest and most popular way to make money with crypto. All you have to do is buy a coin at a low price and hold on to it until the value goes up. Sounds easy, right? For all those wondering how to know which coins to buy. Well, my friends, that's where research comes in. Take the time to read up on different coins and their potential for growth. But remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Once you've chosen your coin and made your purchase, the next step is to hold on to it for as long as possible. The longer you hold, the more potential for profit. Next up is trading. This is a bit more advanced, but it can be very profitable. For this, you're going to need to set up an account on a popular exchange like Binance or Coinbase. These are the go-to spots for buying and selling all your favorite cryptocurrencies. Once you've got your account set up, it's time to start watching the market and looking for opportunities. Volatility is your friend in the crypto world, as it means the prices are constantly fluctuating. By buying low and selling high, you can make some serious cash. But remember, trading isn't everyone's piece of cake. There's always a risk involved. So make sure to do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With a little bit of patience and a lot of market savvy, you can be on your way to making big bucks with crypto. Before we move further with today's video, guys, support this channel by smashing the like buttons and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop for all the upcoming videos. Third on our list is mining. Mining is the process of verifying transactions on the blockchain and earning rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. Think of it like a digital gold rush. All you need is a powerful computer and some specialized software, and you'll be on your way to striking crypto gold. The most popular mining cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Both of these can be mined using your own computer, but keep in mind, it's not as easy as just clicking a button. It takes some time and effort. But trust us, it's worth it. If you're new to the world of mining, don't worry. There are plenty of resources and tutorials out there to help you get started. Grab your computer and get ready to start earning some serious crypto cash. Then we have staking. Okay, so this one is the process of holding onto a certain amount of a specific cryptocurrency in a wallet in order to validate transactions on that particular blockchain. And in return, you get rewarded with more of that same cryptocurrency. It's like a digital version of collecting interest on your savings account. Popular staking coins include Cosmos and Tezos. These coins offer high returns and are relatively low-risk investments. Plus, they're super easy to set up and manage. All you have to do is hold the coins in a staking-enabled wallet and watch your earnings grow. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced crypto investor, staking is definitely worth checking out. It's a great way to earn passive income without having to do much work at all. Moving on, another way is making money through airdrops and bounties. These are basically ways that companies and projects can distribute free coins to holders or reward individuals for completing certain tasks. For example, a company might give away free coins to everyone who holds a certain amount of their token, or a project might offer a bounty for anyone who can find a bug in their code. But how do you get in on these airdrops and bounties? Well, it's simple. Just make sure you're holding the right coins and keep an eye out for announcements from the companies and projects you're interested in. Some popular airdrop and bounty programs include Stellar, Tron, and Ethereum. The next one we have is lending and borrowing. Have you ever heard of platforms like Nexo or Celsius? These are platforms that allow individuals to lend or borrow cryptocurrencies with ease. Think of it like a bank, but with crypto. Want to earn some extra cash? You can lend your crypto on these platforms and earn interest on your loans. Or, if you're looking to invest but don't have the funds, you can borrow crypto to use for your investments. The possibilities are endless with lending and borrowing in the crypto world. So, if you're looking for a new way to make some money with your crypto, give lending and borrowing a try. As always, do your research and invest wisely. The last one is the dApps. If you're a developer, you can build decentralized applications, dApps, on blockchain platforms like Ethereum and earn money through transaction fees and more. With the rise of decentralized apps, or dApps, anyone can get in on the action. So, what are dApps? Think of them like apps on your phone. But instead of being controlled by one central authority, they're built on a decentralized network. This means that you, as a user, have more control over your data and your money. And the best part, you can make money by building and using dApps. From trading cryptocurrencies to participating in online marketplaces, the possibilities are endless. So don't be intimidated by the world of cryptocurrency. With dApps, it's never been easier to make money and take control of your financial future. As a bonus for our viewers, we'd like to add one more way to make money with cryptocurrency. Another way to make money with cryptocurrency is by participating in initial coin offerings ICOs. An ICO is when a new cryptocurrency project sells a certain amount of its coins to early investors in exchange for funding. This can be a great way to get started on the ground floor with a new coin that has the potential for significant growth. However, it is important to thoroughly research the project and the team behind it before investing, as any investment always comes with a risk. It's also worth noting that regulations regarding ICOs vary depending on the jurisdiction you are in. Therefore, be sure to check the laws in your area before investing in an ICO. These were the 7 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Even if you're a beginner, whether it's through mining, trading, or investing, there are endless opportunities to get in on the crypto game. Of course, it's important to remember that with any investment, there is risk involved. It's important to do your own research and make sure you understand the risks before you invest. We can tell you what we believe are suitable methods to make money from cryptocurrency. However, we are not financial experts, so do your homework before putting your money into any business. And with the right knowledge and a bit of patience, you can make a decent return on your investment with cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck on your cryptocurrency journey.